In this video, I will show you how to make text glow in Google Slides easily like this. Let's get started. To make text glow, first go to the Insert option and click on Word Art. You will see this blue box. Enter the word, then press Enter on your keyboard to insert the word art. Then select the appropriate font and fill the color of your choice. Here I will select black color. Then click on the format option and you will see this option drop shadow. Tick this box and select the color of the shadow. Here I will select red color. Now you can see the shadow is appearing. To increase the blur radius of the shadow, move the pointer like this and decrease the transparency as per your need. Now check out these useful videos shown on screen to know more about Google Slides quickly. Comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. See you again in the next video.